Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and today we have Miss Ashia Williams with us. Miss Ashia is a native of Indiana, but currently resides in LA. She's a graduate of Howard University with a major in chemistry and has worked in the financial services and pharmaceutical industry. She is a dog mom to a Cavapoo and the aunt of 15 nieces and nephews. And today we're going to be discussing how trading correlates with your financial goals. Now let's get into this. Okay, Ashia, what are some of the basic types of assets that people can trade, like stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies?
Mhm. So you pretty much can trade anything. You have futures that you can trade. You can trade commodities such as like oils, gas, oil, gold, silver. Then you also have stocks, which is like regular stocks that you can trade. And you can actually trade those through options. You can trade those through day trading. And then the last one is cryptocurrency, which we know right now is going crazy, which be careful, guys, because what goes up must come down. But then you also have cryptocurrency, which people typically trade either day trading or through like a Coinbase or some kind of crypto wallet. Now it's becoming more popular, and certain brokers are allowing cryptocurrency like Fidelity to be held in those portfolios. So yeah, you can pretty much trade anything.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Subscribe to my channel to learn more about probate real estate, financial literacy, and generational wealth planning.